Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to PG Ka Pathshala. And here is your host PG, Ankush Ghosh. So today I thought of showing you an illustration in an Excel sheet of what is the difference between simple moving average and exponential moving average. Okay, so this is widely used by us during trading. Okay, many of us may be knowing the detailed calculation on how we can calculate that, and many of us may not be too much interested usually, and we will just plot it on the chart and see the level, or see the level from any website like charting or investing.com, and then take our trade decisions, right? But it is always wise and better for us to understand that how the calculation goes, so that we can calculate it in advance. Prior to any website calculates, we can also do our own internal calculation in an Excel sheet or something like that. So I will try to illustrate it with an Excel. So I'm sharing my screen over here. Okay. So this is one Excel which I actually prepared. Uh, so this is the data that I have taken of Nifty from 20th of February till the 21st of March, which is today. So this is the closing price of today, 17107.5. Right. So this is our closing price column, and this is your high, and this is your open, and this column H and column I, 5-day SMA and 5-day EMA. So we are calculating the 5-day moving average of the simple and exponential. Okay. So now let me show you that simple moving average is there is no complexity, right? We know what is the formula of simple moving average. It is basically just an average, right? In Excel sheet, we have the functionality average. So here, if you see, so this is your 24th of February. So 24th of February, that's a 5-day simple moving average of Nifty. As on 24th of February was the average of the last 5 trading days, including that day, right? So 24th, 23rd, 22nd, 21st, and 20th. So these 5 days, whatever closing price. Okay. So E, average of E18 to E22. Now what is E? So this is my column E, and what is column E? Closing price, right? So closing price. So this the average of these 5. Okay, so that is my simple moving average, correct? And like that I go upwards. So this is like today. What was this 5-day simple moving average? Is 1730.74. So these are the 5 days. So what is my formula? E2 to E6. E2 to E6, right? So 15, 16, 17, 20, 21. 18, 19 was Saturday and Sunday, so market was off. So 5 trading days. So simple moving average तो हो गया बहुत easy. Okay. अभी एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज का क्या है? एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज मेरा अभी यहाँ पे माई डे 1 वाज 20th of February, राइट? सो मेरा 5 दिन का पीरियड, सबसे पहले वाला 5 दिन पीरियड कौन सा होगा? ये रो नंबर 18, 24th. So prior to this 23rd, can I calculate simple moving average also? I cannot, right? Because I don't have 5 days. So I have the first 5 day. My 5th day gets completed on 24th of February, right? So I can only calculate a 5-day moving average from the 24th, not before that. So the exponential moving average, the concept is on the very first day. Say a hypothetical scenario, right? Nifty started trading from say 1989 or 1990, or maybe even beyond that. Okay, Sensex was there, Nifty was not there. So maybe 1998 or 99 जब भी हो, ठीक है? तो वहां पे जब पहला 5 दिन ट्रेडिंग हुआ, तो उसके बाद से ही सिंपल एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज का कॉन्सेप्ट आया था. पहला 5 दिन तो 2 दिन का सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज ऐसा ही चला. Okay, but here we are calculating 5-day moving average, so we cannot calculate anything previous to this, right? For both simple as well as exponential. Now जो पहला दिन का होता है, पहला पीरियड का, the first 5-day period, for that day, for that the exponential moving average is same as simple moving average. Okay, so it is also same, 640.53. Okay, even your exponential moving average also is the same. Now what happens beyond them? So this is interesting. Now what is this? E17 minus I18. Now what is E17? So E17 is this, so which is the closing price of that date. minus I18. So I18 is your exponential moving average of the previous day. Okay, into J2. Now what is this J2? Okay, so what is this? 5 plus 1. And we are calculating 5-day moving average, right? So N. So if we are calculating N day moving average, if it is 5 or 10 or whatever, if it is 10, then it will be 10 plus 1. If it is 5, it is 5 plus 1. Okay, now what is this column? 2 divided by J1. So 2 divided by J1 is 2 divided by 6, which is 0.33. Okay, so this is called a smoothing factor. This is called a smoothing factor. Okay, so this smoothing factor is a basic major difference between simple and exponential moving average. ये smoothing factor क्या करता है? Okay, so now what is the formula? E17 minus I18. E17 is the closing, so I am calculating the exponential moving average of this day. Right. So what is the closing price of this day? E17 is 17,392.7 minus I18. I18 is 17,640.53 into J2. The J2 is your 0.33, right? Plus I18. So that is plus I18 previous exponential. So this is my formula. E17 minus I18 into J2 plus I18. Now here what I have done is I have done this calculation part by part. Okay, so this is my smoothing factor or the K or smoothing factor is called. Okay, that 2 divided by n plus 1, right? So 2 divided by 0.33. So this is my smoothing factor basically. So what does the smoothing factor does? So this is the difference between exponential moving average of the previous day and the exponential moving average of today after the market closes today. Okay. So say yesterday the market moving average was 5. Today the market's moving average is 7. So this particular column, this value here represents 7 minus 5, 2. Okay, so now see here. So what is this E17 minus I18 into J2? Okay, so what is this? E17 is 17,392.7 minus 17,640.53 into J2. 17,392 is less than 640, right? So that's why negative. So minus 82.61. Now, so 17,640.53 minus 82.61 is equal to this. So this is my formula. L17 plus K17, right? L17, and if you see this formula, so this entire thing, okay, this E17 minus I18 into J2, so this is my column K, and what is this? Then I18, so I18 is my column L, right? So I have just, in order to explain you very simply, I have just divided it into two columns, and I have just have shown the split. So now if you see, whenever the market goes down, this is negative. So this is why many people say that exponential moving average is very sensitive to the price change, and it gives more weightage to the recent price action. So here, see, here market was down minus 0.42. Okay. So here market was down minus 0.51. See, both the averages are reducing. 473, 445. Then what happens there? 0.85 down. So see here one thing. So market was down here 3 days. Okay, the average was coming down. Then all of a sudden market went up 0.85%. See what is the reflection in simple moving average? 445, 424. So there was a 421 point difference. But see what is the case in exponential moving average? Only 8 point difference. Okay, then what happens next day? Again 424, 387 माइनस 0.74% नीचे आ गया, तो देखो ये नीचे आ गया, तो ये भी नीचे आया, राइट? तो इसमें ऐसे फिर 1.57%. अभी now see this 1.57% the market went up this day. Okay, so what is this? Row number 13 is 3rd of March. 1.57% उठा. सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज का डिफरेंस कितना हुआ? 412 370 से only 25 points. But see what happened in exponential average, 59 points it increased. Okay, so that is why they say that this actually reflects more of the recent price action, right? There is no right or wrong. I mean, this average is right, this average is wrong. There is nothing like that. Many traders follow simple moving average, many traders follow multiple exponential moving averages, and both of the averages are respected by the market because the traders respect both of them. Okay, so there is nothing like this is good, that is good. But of course, this exponential moving average gives more weightage to recent price action. We can see that how the average changes. If there is a 1.57% jump in the Nifty, your average goes up by 59 points, but here it goes up to 25 points. Okay, again see here, 0.67% up. Okay, so how much the average went? So from here, 1.57 and 0.67 is how much? 2.2% almost, right? So, but here, what is the difference in 387 for not even 100 points? But here, see, what is the difference? 554 minus 400, 137 points is the difference of the exponential moving average. Okay, see again next day. So, so like this, it always gives more weightage to the recent price action. So again, we can come here and see. So here, see one thing. Here the market fell by 1%. Okay. Simple moving average actually went up. Okay. Market fell by 1%. See here. Market fell by 0.93%. Market fell by 1%. What happened to simple moving average? 17,563. We actually बढ़ गया. 17,612. 46 point up. The simple moving average. Even though the market was almost 2% down on row number 9 and 10. There is 10th and 9. 10th and 9th को मार्केट 2% डाउन था लेकिन सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज में क्या इफेक्ट हुआ मार्केट 566 से 612 46 पॉइंट अप हो गया बट सी व्हाट हैपेंड इन एक्सपोनेंशियल 621 से 545 राइट 21 से 45 55 21 और 55 76 पॉइंट डाउन ठीक है यहाँ पे देखो 66 एंड यहाँ पे 10 सो you can understand, right? The difference between simple and moving, that how the behavior changes with the price and change in the price action of the market. So तो आगे ना तो आज का क्लोजिंग के मुताबिक ये 17,083.13 दिखा रहा है क्योंकि ये 5 डे एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज ओके तो यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा मेरा कैलकुलेशन यही बोल रहा है 17,083.13 ओके सो इट इज द सेम कैलकुलेशन बेसिकली E2 minus I3 this I3 is previously exponential okay into J2 so my J2 is this 0.33 plus I3 ओके तो मार्केट आज 0.25% बढ़ा है एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज भी 13 पॉइंट बढ़ा है ठीक है तो आप देखो यहाँ पे एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज 17,621 था 8 मार्च को ठीक है तो उसके बाद से कैसे ढाई ढाई करके गिर रहा है सी it fell by so many points. Okay, from 1700 and 621 to it has come to 1770. Okay, but if you see the exponential, it probably didn't come by that much. Okay, so if the market is down for continuous 7-8 days, like we have here, like row number. So here, see, the market was continuously down. Okay, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if the market is continuously down like this, then your short-term, like 5-day moving average, exponential and simple, more or less come to closer together. Okay, the discrepancy comes more when the market is volatile. 1 day up, 1 day down, 2 day down, 1 day up, like here. See, यहाँ पे सी ये सब जगह में बहुत डिफरेंसेस आया है देखो ये सब जगह में बहुत डिफरेंसेस आया है यहाँ पे देखो क्या हुआ था एक दिन आप डाउन देखो यहाँ पे काफी डिफरेंसेस आ रहा है 55 पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे देखो 2 दिन 3 दिन अप गया 2 दिन डाउन गया ठीक है उसके पहले यहाँ पे 2 दिन डाउन गया था बीच में 1 दिन अप गया था तो यहाँ पे जैसे जितना ऐसा अप डाउन मूवमेंट वोलाटाइल मूवमेंट होता रहेगा उतना ये आपका सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज और एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज जो है इसके बीच डिस्टेंस बढ़ता रहेगा ठीक है so that is how it is and also see another thing here this is also something interesting we have to observe this probably uh, you have to just keep on mind of this okay so compare this okay compare this column and compare this ये 6 और यहाँ पे एक काम करता हूँ what I'm trying to show you is this is E8, E9, E10, E12, E13 okay and see this E8 मैं यहाँ पे आपको कैलकुलेशन करके ठीक है तो मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ बेसिकली what I'm trying to say is see the difference between column H and column E and column I and column E. Okay, market is 17,154 में exponential average 17,414 and what is the simple average 524 so exponential average जो है वो लग रहा है ऐसा लग रहा है कि it tries to stay closer to the market okay because it gives more weightage to the recent price action it actually tries to stay closer to the market often more often than not okay for example see this row number 13 okay row number 13 focus on column E and column I focus on column E and column I and focus on probably this focus on these rows and focus on column E and column I and column H because so 17 154 414 524 so which is nearer exponential 544 412 612 which is nearer 544 exponential 589 594 610 यहाँ पे simple is nearer 754 621 566 again exponential is nearer 554 476 711 okay again exponential is nearer 476 400 594 again exponential nearer 321 387 417 again exponential is sorry here symbol is nearer 415 424 465 okay so here again exponential is nearer so what we see in most cases more often than not exponential moving average actually seems to be nearer to the price action than the simple moving average why because it gives more weightage to the recent price action because of the smoothing factor okay so this is all hope you will like this simple explanation and if you have any queries please comment uh, here in this video below this video I am sharing this in my YouTube channel and if you like this kind of tutorials just comment me and let me know what all see my areas of expertise are RSI Bollinger Band you know moving averages so I trade based on my strengths okay I don't explore too many parameters so I give a lot of emphasis in moving averages so that's why I thought that okay let me show an illustration because many of you may be knowing but many of you may not be giving so much details to it. So that's why. So please comment and like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice evening.